it will be my program for the activity. Here is the main array, which students. Is the function to get the average. I used a built-in array, a built-in function which just sums the data in an array. Here is the function to set the name to uppercase to get here is the function to get the remark. This is the average, gets the average, and if the average is equal or greater than 75, it will return pass, or else it will return failed. Here's the function for the substudent mix. Never mind. Let's just say here is an empty variable for the top highest. It will look through each student, gets the average, and then compares it with the highest, and then gets that student's name and data, and will return the top performer. Here is the function for the search students, which will look through all the students and compares it with the search, and if this one is the built-in function to lowercase the string, so that the cases of the string doesn't matter, and if it finds a student, it will return that student, and if it doesn't find anything, it will return not. Now here is the post for search name. This will to get the data for research, and here is is a function called for the search, which will return either the student's data or it will return now. And here's the container for the search students, which if a student is found, it will run this code, which gets a function called for the average and the remark function. This is just mostly outputs. This one is the function called for the set the name to uppercase. Outputs for the grades. It's just a built-in formatting in the PHP, which just sets it to 2 decimals, and then set this one is for the so that the styling can be used. I have a styling for the fail and pass. It sets the color to green or red, and then outputs the remark, and if the student is bound, it will output student not found. Is this for the function add. I use this thing, forgot what it's called. It's mostly so that the function modifies the array directly and doesn't just copies it and use it only in the function to make it easier. And is the add name, is the post for the adding a student. Will be get the inputs for the name, math, English, and science grades, and it will run the add function, which is and which will add function will inputs the name to the main array and subjects, which is already formatted in here. And here's the stylings. Here is the container. Here's the container for the top performer, which will run the top built-in PHP code, which will run the top function, get the average, then these ones to set the name to uppercase, and this thing to format the average to 2 decimals. Here's the container for the display of all students. For the table, this one, the for each, this for each will run through all the students, get their average and remarks, and then the loops will end here, so that this line will also add it to the loop, which will run, making it possible to display all the students. Here's the container for the search students. Just a simple text input and then a button. I used post so that it can work with PHP. I've already explained this. Here's the container for the adding new students, and for the output, here is my output. Oh, let me just refresh this. Here's the top performer. Now let's say here's how the student searching works. Let's say I search for Mark Smith, which will display Mark Smith in here, show all of his data. Let's say we add Mark Grayson, 98, 99, and just say he's an high academic achiever, and we add him. It will automatically added, and it also update the top performer. Let's add again. 99. John Nolan is added. A new top performer is added. That is all. Thank you.